Hello friends, good morning. How are you all? Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? How was your Halloween? How did the November 1st daylight change suiting you? It was so hard for us. We woke up little late and it was hard and it was a Sunday. So hope you all had a good Halloween. You know how my Halloween went. No kiddos came to our house, our neighborhood, and I showed you that clip where it was so pitch dark and it was so scary. And I don't know why the management people had not on the Halloween night lights. I think they wanted to give that feel of that creepy night. It was looking so scary, and I just was not happy about to see when I was sitting in the room in my hall. I was feeling, why is it so dark? Why haven't they on the garage lights? So it was so dark. And so, friends, after the Halloween, I was left out with the pumpkin, and you all saw how my kiddos did the pumpkin and how they wanted to do, and that's what the Halloween night went. And then I said, oh, why not waste, why to waste the pumpkin? Let's do something. And this is my first time trying pumpkin. And I've always had pumpkin pies and all outside, like in the church and in my friends' places. But this was my first time where I tried. And amazingly, it came out so well. I think I should share the recipe with you all. So let's go into our kitchen. And friends, the best part of this muffins was there's no eggs. It's a vegetarian dish, all healthy, no oil, nothing, and it was just pumpkin puree, um, wheat flour, and all that, and cake mix, and it was done so deliciously. So the best part was no eggs, no oil, fat free, so cholesterol free. So you all should try it, friends. So our pumpkin is really soft and mushy now. We'll put it in the blender. Now we'll just puree it properly, and we'll just close the lid well. Now we'll do it. This is my new blender, friends. It's from Black & Decker. My first one got spoiled and I bought the second one. We'll do it into a smoothie and we'll do it as one. So we'll do some dishes with this, friends. So that's what I thought. So the whole Halloween, we never wasted even a bit. So this is the puree. So friends, over here I'm taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Here is 1 cup of it. We'll take 2 cups. I'll take 2 cups of flour. This is whole wheat flour now I'm taking. So I'll take 1 cup of this also. I'll take 1 cup. Exactly 1 cup. Now I'm taking half cup of sugar. So here I've mixed it so well. I've added 2.5 cups of flour, half cup of sugar. Now I'll be adding some oil. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil. I'll do 2. So 2 tablespoons of oil. I've added 1 cup of puree of pumpkin. I'm mixing it with my hand and seeing how the consistency comes out. And this is a nice vegan thing. There's no eggs in it. The consistency was very little, so I'm adding half more cup. Now the consistency is just perfect. See the consistency, friends. This is how it should be. And now we'll put it in the muffin pan. So now I'll add one drop and I'll grease all the muffin pan. I'll rub all these edges and make it even. Now we'll fill it up and make sure that you don't fill it till the top because they'll bulge up too. So I'm filling the second tray now, and I've already heated up my oven to 350 degrees. I'll show you in a minute. So I've heated the oven to 350 degrees. Now I'll put it inside the oven now. I'll give it for 20 minutes. So I'll set a timer over here. We'll say for 20 minutes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here I've kept it for 20 minutes and say start. Here the muffins have come out so well. They're so fluffy. Just see, friends. It's so soft and nice. It's so yum. Yum, yum, yum. It came out so good, friends. Really lovely. You don't even need to poke a knife. It's just falling off. See? It's just falling off by itself. And here I have made it like a flower. I've kept it all in a good direction. It becomes like a flower. It's so good, so yummy. The house smells heaven. Try it out, friends. Really good. So friends, it was so easy and it came out really delicious actually. So you all must try it out and tell me and share your pictures once you try it out in your house. And it smelled so good. It was like real pumpkin pies. Only the thing was missing was the cream on the top of the muffins or some ready whipped cream. I didn't have, and I never thought of ordering or doing Instacart for it. So this is how it went, and I could have still put some jam on it, but then children said no, we don't need jam, and they just ate it plain, and so they all liked it. So hope you also liked it, and share your pictures once you try it out, and we'll come up with a new recipe very soon. And if you have liked my channel, like it, share it, and subscribe and comment, and I'll get back to you. Okay, have a good day, friends. Bye. Lots of love. Bye.